Good morning, everybody. Myself, Dr. Divakar Tichunarkar. I am a senior lecturer of this college, Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today, I explain Chapter 3 and Unit 3. This chapter, according to MHBT, for 11 marks. The name of this chapter is Photoelectricity, X-rays and Laser. So student, this chapter for 11 marks and question arises in your view of examination in MCQ. You get one question and there are 4 options. So student, today I explain introduction of this chapter, photoelectricity, X-ray and laser. So photoelectricity or electricity generated by light of affected by light is called photoelectricity. Electricity generated by light or affected by light is called photoelectricity. When the light falls on the metal surface, electrons are emitted from the metal surface. This effect is called photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect, it is found that certain metal like magnesium, zinc, lithium, when exposed to ultraviolet light and emits the electron. Alkali metal like sodium, potassium are sensitive to even visible light. When the light of suitable frequency is incident on the metallic surface, electrons are emitted from the metal surface. As the light takes place under the influence of light, it's called photoelectric effects. So student, photoelectricity, X-ray and laser. In this chapter, photoelectric effects, photoelectricity is simple definition, keeping your mind. Emitting electrons are called photoelectrons. Now principle. Principle of photoelectrons, light energy converted into electrical energy. Light energy converted into electrical energy. According to Einstein, light is made up of little pocket. It's called quanta or photons. Now, Planck hypothesis. German physicist Max Planck introduced the constant in 1900 in his accurate formulation of the distribution of the radiation emitted by a black body or perfect absorber or radiant energy. Most of the metal, the photoelectric effect is observed when ultraviolet light falls on the metal surface, as like alkali metal like sodium and potassium. The effect is observed even with visible light. Student, listen here. This is the light falls on the metal surface. This is the metal surface. An electron goes from this metal surface to give the photoelectrons, and the effect is called photoelectric effect. This is metal surface and this is the light. When light falls on the metal surface to emit the electrons, keeping your mind. The energy E of each quantum or each photon equal Planck constant H. The radiation of frequency symbolized by the Greek letter nu. Keeping your mind this symbol for nu as like a V and upper side of second terminal lightly bend, that is called nu, and this nu is Greek letter. Or simply E proportional to nu, E equal to nh nu. Here h is the Planck constant. Here is E proportional to nu. So light energy is directly proportional to frequency of light. This is nu is the frequency of light. So proportionality sign rem we can write E equal to h nu. And after that E equal to nh nu. Here is the energy of radiation. N small n be the integer, that is 1 to 3 numbers. H is Planck constant. Nu is the frequency of light. The value of Planck constant h you have to given, or this is the standard value, 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. That is equal to 4.14 into 10 to the power minus 15 electron volts. Student, this value h equal to 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34, you have to remember in your mind, because generally question arises or numerical problem asked in your examination. If this type of value do not given in the problem, so you have to use h equal to 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 joules. Then concept of photon or energy of photon. Number one, photon is a type of elementary particles. Keep in your mind. The photon is type of elementary particle. Photons are massless. It means that small mass or small weight. Third point, they always move at the speed of light 299,792,458 meter per second, or 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second is the speed of light, or 299,792,458 meter per second. Keeping your mind, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is 7,90,200. Then 29 crore 97,979, or 29 crore 97 lakh 92,458 meter per second, or 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Keeping your mind, generally this value use or ask in your examination. The speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8. Generally this value is used. Now the properties of photon or quantum. A photon is massless. Massless means small particles. That is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is the speed of light. It has no electric charge, non-electrical nature of photon. It has no electric charge, that is neutral. Non-electrical nature of photon. It is a stable particle. The existence of photon and photon does not obey the Pauli exclusion principle. Keep in your mind. Photons does not obey the Pauli exclusion principle. Fourth, the existence of photons. 6. It obeys the Bose-Einstein statistic. Einstein statistic or Einstein's law or rule is obeys these photons. Photons are non-magnetic in nature, cannot deflected magnetic field. And next and last number, mass and moment of photon. According to Planck constant, E equal to h nu. Here according to Einstein, mass of photon E equal to mc square. So equation, suppose this is 1 and this is 2, h nu equal to mc square. Then m equal to h nu upon c square, m equal to h upon c lambda. Here is nu equal to c by lambda. So value of nu we have to put c by lambda. So here m equal to h c by lambda. because here is c square and above c get cancelled, so h upon c lambda. Here is E is the energy of radiation, c velocity of light, h Planck constant or Planck hypothesis, and nu frequency of light, and lambda wavelength of light. So in this case, E equal to h nu and E equal to mc square. E equal to mc square, this is the mass of photon according to Einstein equation, and according to Planck constant E equal to h nu. From this both equation we can calculate m equal to h upon c lambda, and this is the equation of mass and moment, or this is the relation between mass and moment. So student, keeping your mind m equal to h upon c lambda, this is the relation between mass and momentum. So in this case, according to this theory, energy is always emitted or absorbed in integral multiple of h nu and not a fraction of h nu. So E equal to nh nu. So n equal to integer 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here photon are electrically neutral. The speed of light of photons is 3 into 10 to the power 8. Radiation is considered as shown of photon, nu with the frequency of light or frequency of photon. The energy associated with the photon is directly proportional to nu. So E equal to h nu, keeping your mind. So this is your Planck hypothesis and properties of photon. Student, this property is very important for your view of examination. Generally one or two properties asked in your examination. So student, today I stop here. Thank you very much.